Are you ready to transform your health after 50 with just a few simple changes? It's easier than you think. Staying healthy as we age isn't about restrictive diets or grueling workouts. It's about making smart, sustainable choices that nourish your body and boost your energy. In this video, I'm going to share practical nutrition tips specifically designed for those of you over 50. We'll debunk common myths and empower you to take control of your health. You know, a lot of people think that aging inevitably means slowing down and feeling less energetic. But that's not necessarily true. The truth is, our nutritional needs change as we get older, and understanding these changes is key to feeling our best. By focusing on what we eat, we can support our bodies and enjoy our 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond to the fullest. Okay, let's be real, aging has its quirks, right? Like forgetting where you put your keys, or suddenly becoming best friends with your pharmacist. But one thing we don't have to joke about is our health. There's this myth that as we age, we can't enjoy food anymore, that it's all about restrictions, but that's simply not true. It's about making smart choices that taste good and make you feel amazing. So let's talk about some delicious, easy ways to boost your nutrition after 50. First up, fruits and veggies. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. I know, it sounds like a lot, but think of it as adding color to your plate. Next, hydration is key. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Trust me, staying hydrated does wonders for your energy levels and even your skin. And let's not forget about whole grains. Swap out white bread for whole wheat bread, white rice for quinoa or brown rice. These simple swaps make a big difference. Did you know that certain foods can actually boost your energy levels? It's true. Foods rich in B vitamins like leafy greens and lean protein can combat fatigue and give you that extra pep in your step. And if you struggle with digestion, which can be more common as we age, foods like yogurt with probiotics and fiber-rich fruits can work wonders. Now it's your turn. I'm curious, what are some of your favorite healthy foods? Share them in the comments below. And if you have any nutrition tips that have worked well for you, don't hesitate to share those too. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other. I promised you actionable steps and I always deliver. Here's a simple meal plan to get you started. For breakfast, how about Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola? For lunch, a big, colorful salad with grilled chicken or fish. And for dinner, try a vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can customize it based on your preferences and dietary needs. See? Eating healthy after 50 doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can improve your energy, support your overall health, and feel amazing. Remember, small changes add up to big results. So start implementing one tip at a time, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. So tell me, are you ready to embrace a healthier, more vibrant you after 50? I believe in you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future health tips. And hey, since you're already in a health kick mood, why not check out my other video on delicious and healthy recipes? It's packed with easy meal ideas that will nourish your body from inside out.